Hello friends, by finding your Ikigai and working on it, you can achieve a level that is irreplaceable. Even technology won't be able to replace you. There is an island in Japan called Okinawa where people manage to live for more than 100 years of age. Even people who are 80 to 90 years of age are very healthy and happily manage to do their own work. They work their entire life with joy and never think of retiring. Every person in this island lives a happy and peaceful life because they use a very powerful formula and live a long life. This formula is called Ikigai, which means the reason for living, the purpose of your life. Japanese people believe that you are in this world with a purpose, and that purpose is your Ikigai. If you work apart from your purpose, you won't be happy and you will live in stress and your brain will always be anxious to find that purpose. But the good news is, by using this formula, any person living anywhere in the world can find his or her Ikigai and live a purposeful life. When we are in college or school, most of us are in a dilemma about what career to select or what to do in life. We seek advice from family members, friends, or relatives. Some may tell us that you should select the work that you love to do. Others might say that you should select the work that you are good at. Few may suggest that you should select the work that will pay you more money, while others may say that you should do what the world needs. The problem here is that we are advised to select one of these, which is wrong and doesn't really help to discover our true purpose. But Ikigai is the combination of these four parts. And if out of these four, if any one part is not taken into consideration, then you might miss your Ikigai. Let us understand Ikigai better from the following diagram. The first circle is what you love. This circle will contain all those things you love to do. The second circle is what you are good at. This circle will contain all those things that you are good at or an expert in it. The third circle is what you can be paid for. This circle will contain all those things or work for which you can be paid for. The fourth circle is what the world needs. This will contain all those tasks or work that the world needs from you. When you combine the first two circles, you will discover your passion, which means the things that you love to do as well as you are good at becomes your passion. For example, you love to learn about programming and making new apps and you are also good at it. Then that becomes your passion. The intersection of second and third circle helps you discover your profession, which means the things that you are good at as well as you can get paid for becomes your profession. For example, you are good at teaching and you also get paid for it. Then that becomes your profession. The intersection of third and fourth circle will help you discover your vocation, which means the work or service that you get paid for as well as the world or society needs it. Then that becomes your vocation. For example, you have written a book that is useful for the world and you also get paid in royalties. Then that becomes your vocation. And finally, the intersection of fourth and the first circle helps you discover your mission, which means the work or service that you love to do and the world needs it too. Then that becomes your mission. For example, you love to reach out and counsel the depressed youth and the world needs such a service. Then that becomes your mission. Now the problem arises when people tell you that you need to discover your passion, but finding passion is not enough because that's just a part of your Ikigai. You need to find the work that satisfies the other three components of Ikigai. For example, suppose you love to write blogs. You are good at it. And the topics that you write on the blog is also loved by the world and demands more such write-ups. And finally, you're also making money by blogging through ads or other royalties. So blogging satisfies all components, namely passion, profession, vocation and mission, which means blogging is your ikigai. Your aim should be to find out that task or work that will satisfy passion, profession, vocation and mission. The central intersection of these four components is your ikigai, which means you will discover that work which you love to do, in which you are also good at, which pays you as well, and the world needs it too. Once you are able to discover your ikigai, you will be able to live a long and stress-free life. To give you a real-life example, Sachin Tendulkar loves to play cricket. By practicing daily, he has become an expert in cricket. He also gets paid for it, and the world loves to see him play. So, for Sachin, cricket satisfies all the four components of ikigai, which means cricket is Sachin's ikigai. If you check the lives of most of the popular personalities in the world, all of them have discovered their ikigai. That's why they have become successful and gone ahead of others. Dr. Rajan Muthukrishnan, founder of IATD, Indian Academy of Training and Development, from where even I did my diploma in training, has also discovered his ikigai. He loves to give trainings and conduct seminars on various topics related to life skills and personality development. He is also very good at it with practice and years of experience. Training also enables him to earn money. His trainings are loved by many people, which means the world needs it. It's very important to find your ikigai because by doing so, you can achieve a flow state in your work. Flow state means getting so deep into your work that no distractions can disturb you. This flow state is the strength of many successful people in the world, which has helped them to achieve great success in their respective fields. Because of finding his ikigai and working on it, Steve Jobs liked the working patterns of artists and engineers who worked in Sony factory in Japan. During a visit to the factory in 1980s, Steve Jobs learned a lot of things from them and implemented them in his own business. Hayao Miyazaki, co-founder of Studio Ghibli, one of the most popular animation studio in the world, never gets tired of his work, even though he is 79 years of age right now. He loves his work so much that he even at times works on a Sunday or national holidays. This is because he has found his ikigai. Jiro Uno, a Japanese chef and owner of a Japanese sushi restaurant in Japan, is regarded by his contemporaries as the greatest living sushi craftsman. In spite of being 94 years of age, he makes the world's best sushi dish because making sushi is his ikigai. By finding your ikigai and working on it, you will be able to achieve a level where you will be irreplaceable. Even technology won't be able to replace you. One of the best examples of irreplaceability is Mr. Mark Coate, who is the only coach line painter of Rolls-Royce. He draws lines in a very unique way on the world's most expensive car, the Rolls-Royce, which is a very rare skill. Until today, no one has been able to replace him. You will not be able to find your ikigai quickly in life, but you may have to depend on your inner voice and try various things in life. Be curious about discovering your ikigai, because once you find your ikigai, you will be able to create magic in your life. All these things I have shared from the book Ikigai, written by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. There are more wonderful things mentioned about people of Okinawa in this book. If you are interested to buy this book, I have provided the link in the description. Share a comment about what you liked in this book summary. Do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I share such amazing knowledge, you won't miss it. Thanks for watching.